cold wind, heartbeat dripping in time. Lightning cracks in the back of my mind. Every flash shows what I've lost. Every step soaked in the cost. I'm knee deep in what I can't escape. Gray skies draw on my mistakes. No shelter, no signal, just pain. Still I walk through the heavy rain. I can wash away what's inside. Tears and thunder collide. If I drown, let me remain somewhere inside this rain. It's like walking through a battlefield in heavy rain. Every drop burns, every one remains. Lightning in my veins, screaming through the pain. I fight just to feel again. This storm's my heavy rain. Yeah. Echoes hit like artillery sound. Thunder shakes what's underground. Every scar gets washed but stays. Yeah, water can't rinse my rage away. Can't fake peace in the flood of doubt. Can't hear hope when the power's out. I don't break, I sustain. I'm alive in the heavy rain. Bang, 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 bang. The sky goes black. No way out, no turning back. Rain falls hard, it knows my name. I'm forged in the sound of the pain. I weather the storm like war paint. Yeah! It's like walking through a battlefield in heavy rain. Every drop burns, every wound remains. Lightning in my veins, screaming through the pain. I fight just to feel again. Yeah, this storm's my heavy rain. Still standing, washed but never the same. I was born in heavy rain. I was born